Good evening, friends. I Today we are going to start our master data from Work Center, routing and production version. Yesterday we have seen what are the type of material, how to generate number ranges, metal group usage, and pricing. Valuation. Then we check our PP master views. So we have checked what is the standard price, what is the moving average price, what is the strategy group, what is the schedule margin key. Okay, then we have created BOM master data. So in BOM master data, we have given the BOM usage, base quantity, component quantity, item category. Okay, so today we will create one work center, then routing, then production. So our work center creation T code is CR01. CR01. First we will give the material plant. Okay, then tell me where your charger is operated.
Our in-house.
Oh, in-house. So what is the name of machine? Can you tell me? Yes.
Machines like there are drill machines or vice machines and also ball press machines, etc.
Okay,
Cutting machine
give
also.
me one example.
Acha, sorry, cutting machine to cut the bus bars
Okay, so
of
I am
bus
giving.
cutting.
You see, cutting is the operation, but what is the name of machine?
So the name of the machine is cutting machine.
Cut machine.
Cutting machine.
Okay, I am giving one code is 1. Okay, then work center category. If you see, there are a machine. I already explained in my theory class. We can give work center category, that is a machine, labor, production line. Okay, so try to understand what is the work center. Work center is where our operation is performed. Okay, suppose if you are working on a laptop, so if you are going to map into SAP, so I am a labor, I am a worker. So
Yes.
this place is as a work center. Okay, and what are the activities I'm performing? Suppose I'm creating the Excel sheet, I'm making into SAP. So that is my activity. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Team understood. So we are giving
Here
plant.
machine is laptop.
Sorry.
Here machine is laptop.
Yes. In this case, machine is a laptop, we can say, or we can say the work location. Okay.
Location. Okay.
Here we also working now, sir. By using laptop, we are also means labor also mission work center only.
Yes. So you see how we are going to calculate means this is called activity. So suppose because if work location means laptop is a our machine. Okay, and
Okay.
how many operation I am going means how much time I am going to operate. So that is the labor time. So that is we can say how much time I perform. That is confirmation. Understood?
So what is confirmation? Sir, please repeat.
Confirmation. So listen, there are 4 steps in production order: order creation, goods issue, good confirmation, then GR. So in confirmation, we are giving how much time required to produce that component. So if you see the laptop, then we have to check how much time I performed. Okay, so that is a confirmation.
The labor time.
That is a labor time. I'm giving you an example. Okay, that is a cutting machine 01. Why I am giving 1 2 like that? Because it is possible there is a 6 or 7 cutting machine will be there. So we need to
Yes, there is.
Okay, then we need to give person responsible. We have given 002. Okay, then usage
So why 002?
002. I'm giving. You see, this is like we can say KDS master data. Okay, so we can give who is responsible for which machine. So we need to configure it. So I'm giving here for 002 like Chandan. One example is there. Okay.
That means it is a KTS.
Yes. That
KTS.
is a KDS. Suppose you are 3 person. So for cutting machine, who is responsible?
Person responsible for the
Person
machine.
responsible. It is Avinash or it is Dipendu or Dipanjan. Okay. And then task list. All types of list we have to mention here. And there is a standard value key. What is standard value key? Standard value key is the what are the activities is going on. Okay, suppose I am giving one example. What is the labor time? What is the machine time? What is the setup time? Okay, so these are the activities. So we need to understand what are the activities required. So you see, in standard value, I am giving standard SAP 1. It is setup time, machine time, and labor time. Understood? Setup time means how much time is required to set up for your machine so that you can perform your operation. Machine time means how much time your operation is carried out to produce one component. And labor time, how much time labor is working. So during confirmation, this window will all data will be pop up. So we have to give setup time, machine time, labor time. Then default values, we have to give control key, that is PP01, that is a standard, and here no need to give any other data. Then capacity, is possible like machine also one capacity category. Okay, person also processing unit, warehouse. So where you see, try to understand what is the capacity category means what is the capacity of production. So which is depend on your work center category. So now we can say this is our machine because your work center is machine.
Sir, if the work center was a labor, then we have to keep in labor category.
Yes, sir, because that is a capacity. How much capacity is required for that labor? Okay. I just enter it. Then again it is asking. You have to give cutting machine. Capacity planner group means who are going to plan your capacity. That is a, we can say, planner. Okay, so I am giving standard SAP. If you want, you can generate your own. Then factory calendar. What is factory calendar? Suppose if your machine is your plant it operating time is 365 days, or maybe it is working weekly. We can say 5 days. So we have to define. Okay. So I'm giving Z1.
So that means the working days throughout a year. That is factory calendar.
Yes. Because suppose if you are telling our 1 minute, I am giving one. You see in capacity, if you see there is an option. Okay, from here you can check all details. This screen got pop up. So factory calendar, your working time, we can say working days, not time, working in days. If it is 365, then we have to create like this only. So already it is there. Active version means capacity availability time. So already we maintain as a one, and base unit of measurement, because your capacity means it is in hour. Okay. Now suppose if your start time 06, okay, and finish time is
Cost of 10.
06. Length of break we can say 01 is the length of break, means that is the lunch. Okay, lunch time or breakfast time or snacks time we are giving 1. So not need to be any other data.
Sir, capacity utilization what, sir?
Yes, I'm giving capacity utilization means what is happening. You need to give your how much capacity utilization of your machine. So suppose if it is old machine, then we will give like 80%, 85%. Business can tell you. Okay, this data we have to enter. A number of individual capacity means how many machine is there for the same.
Same cutting machines, how many is there?
Yes, like that. So generally we are giving. That's why I given 1, 2 like that. Because it is not possible to each and every machine same product will be generated. Suppose in a cutting machine 1 there is a we call I'm giving an example like your Crompton Greaves battery will be generated. Okay, and other cutting machine 2 there is a higher machine is generated, means higher charger is generated. Okay, so kind of project it depend on your machine or like that, because there is a setup time also different, their operation time will be different, their size will be different. I'm giving an example. Got it?
Yeah.
So understood. And setup formula. Setup formula means that is a setup time. That is a setup time requirements.
So why it is called a formula?
I will let you know. First you try to understand what we are giving. Okay. What is this is you see, because we are giving, suppose if you are giving this formula, so that is called work center formula. Okay. Now you try to understand this scenario. Suppose your operation time, because you are taking your base quantity, means you are giving in the routing, or yeah, you are given in we have given into base quantity in BOM. So also we will give into the routing. So how much time is required to set up time? how much time is required to your machine time. So that how it will be calculated. So that formula we have to give. Okay, I will show you later once we will make the entry into system. Okay, but you try to understand setup formula means we are giving some formula how we are going to calculate our setup time, how we are going to our calculate our machine time. So every company having their own calculation how they are going to calculate. Okay, suppose they are making they are fixed it our base quantity into operation time divided by our some total quantity like that of operation time. So based on that setup formula and procedure formula will be calculated. So okay, then again scheduling is there. What is scheduling? So suppose if you are giving the time for 2 hours for one component. Okay, so again we have to give formula for scheduling. That is a machine because your capacity is machine. Capacity not required. Setup time means setup formula means execution time.
तब कितना देर तक वो चलेगा?
Yes. So this is a just requirement. Okay. This is a machine time. No, not to give any data. Then you have to come into the costing part. This is the, we can say this is the our PPCU integration. Okay, so cost center we have to be cost center. So before creating the work center, okay, that is a one master data. So you have to ask your team. You have to ask your team, your costing team or CEO consultant, please provide the cost center. Okay, so I'm giving one cost center 9,000 that will be used for production. Okay, now I am going to save it. So this is the one PPCU integration. This is a one PPCU integration. Now I'm going to save it. So now your work center is generated. So also I'm putting here. Dibendu, you please make it in Excel sheet, proper Excel sheet. Plant is DP01. Okay, so my work center is created. If you want to see in CR03, you can check it out. What is your work center? So you guys understand. So first important thing, you have to create cost center from your CEO consultant. then only you can create your master data. If suppose if they are not created, you just don't select this costing view, means don't give it, and you create with this data, and once you will get the costing data,
Sir,
then only
what
you
is the
can,
difference, sir?
sorry,
What is the difference between capacitance and scheduling? Here in capacitance, we will give the hours actually.
no,
How
you
much
see,
time?
yes, capacity is the requirement. What is the capacity of your machine?
How many hours it working? In
Yeah,
scheduling also same they are
scheduling,
telling.
no, you see, capacity is you are giving the requirements, setup time and production time. Okay,
Okay,
that is a capacity of machine.
okay,
Okay, and scheduling is your operation. Suppose if you are going to start your operation from today 11 hours, and it is maintained into routing 2 hours is required.
okay. I
So
understood, sir.
your
To
schedule
produce
will
one
be,
operation,
yes,
how much time?
yes. So
This in
capacity is the
capacitance will maintain
capacity of
total
machine.
time,
Capacity
total
is
machine
the
hour.
capacity of your machine, and scheduling is the
Okay,
your we can say
operation.
operation time of operation. How you are going to schedule it?
Okay,
Good question.
okay.
Okay, and this is the big
Hmm.
integration between PP and CO. I will also let you know later once I will give the overview of product costing, what is activity. It is a part of CO consultant only. So I'm not giving here. So understood, guys?
Sir,
Yeah, yes.
hello.
Yeah.
Yes सर, I have a question. यार यहाँ पर जो कॉस्टिंग में कॉस्ट सेंटर हम प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, वो तो सिर्फ हम सिलेक्ट करके कर रहे हैं, इसका मतलब वो तो किसी ने क्रिएट किया हुआ है.
हाँ, वो तो क्रिएट किया हुआ है. That is created by me only. Okay.
अच्छा.
Means that is a CO person. I created with the help of CO person, and I know. So that is created means because as a consultant, maybe you know other things also, but model wise you have to perform your activities, because that is the project management. Okay, part of project management. Consultant having their responsibility, they will do that, because if you created it, there is a problem. So who will take the responsibilities? So each and everything defined by the project management. So as per standard SAP, CO person will create cost center. Understood? Then I will create the routing, that is a T code for CA01. So our metal code was
MC
charger 001. Plant is TP01. You see here key date is there.
104.
Okay, group counter by default it is coming 1. Okay, group counter means suppose if you are creating for this item multiple routing, so the group counter will be 1 2 3 like that only generated. Okay, for each material your group counter will be starting from 1 only, remember. Then description is coming, your plant is coming, then you have to give usage. So what is the usage? Whether it is usage for plant maintenance, good receipt, goods issue, so I'm giving it as a production. Then status there are a creation, release for order, release for costing, release for journal. So I'm going to give all release for journal, because your routing will be part of the, we can say it is linked with the work center. Work center is linked with the cost center. So it should be. Then lot size, I'm giving it is blank, means from 0 to 8 times 8. Unit also is coming. No need to, then you have to click on operation. You see in operation there are lots of operation is there. So based on your requirement, we need to understand. So here I am giving. You can select here also from this place. Okay, control key PP01. Okay, control. What is a control key? Control key, I will let you know the in configuration part. Control key is nothing how your operation is carried out. So that is depend on your control key. Control key means you can give the, if it is required inspection, you can mention that. There is also some technical part is there. Suppose you want to make the GR and auto good receipt, so you can maintain through control key. And you just tell me the name of operation. Heading processing for charger. Okay, charger 001 I'm giving. You see base quantity.
चेंजर हो गया, चेंजर हो गया.
Just you see this is, there is no any activity and standard value. I will put enter. You see setup time is coming. Suppose setup time is 1 hour. Machine time is like we can say 6 hour. Labor time I am telling 1 hour. Okay, so I'm giving setup time, machine time, or labor time. Okay, if you want to see your first screen header, that is called header, you can see from here. Again, you want to see your operation, you can check from here. So understood what are the entries we have given. In routing, we need to give word center, control key, and our setup time, machine time, and labor time. Okay, now this is the view CA01. Your routing is created. You see one number is generated. So remember this number always.
These are the document numbers.
We can say one document number, that is you see it is master data. So one in SAP how your data is going to save, how you want to access it. So through this it is coming. So already I have made this sheet. I am just giving here. Dibendu, your task is ready for you. So you have to complete this. So you see, now I will create production version. So in MM02, okay, you have to log in. You have to maintain the material code. No need to give any others. You have to select MRP4.
Sir, in work scheduling also one production version key is there, sir.
Yes.
Both the same keys or different?
Yes, both are same. You can maintain production version from word scheduling view or here also. I am giving from MRP4. You can try with this. Okay. So what is the production version? Production version is the combination of BOM and routing. So I am giving CH01.
So that is the version CH01.
Yes. I'm giving, you see, whatever date I'm giving from valid from means it should be maintained, it should be valid or under gone through your BOM valid from and routing key date. Okay, so that's why I'm giving in the bot date. In both are the same. Understood?
Yes, sir.
It is valid like that. You have to give enter and again select it. You see, once you have enter, this tick is coming. It tick is activated. Now we have to select here. Okay, we have to give lot size. I already told you I show you in routing and BOM. Lot size will be there. Okay, 8 times 9 is required. So now it is task list. So you see task list is routing. Okay, and group number is there. So what one number is generated, that is called group. So that's why you have to maintain documents. Okay, this is the project, how project is going on. So I'm giving, and you see group counter was 1. So again I am giving your alternative BOM is 1. First BOM because it is created, and BOM usage is what was the BOM usage?
1.
Yes, good. Dipendu,
Yes, sir.
what are you doing? You have to tell something. 1. Okay. So now we have to check. It should be green. You see, there is no any error. Mint is, it is good. You see, this is green, this is green. Suppose I am giving wrong date. I am giving an example. So this is the error handling. Okay, it is coming because it is because already we created. I am giving March date. You see, date of production was a journal match with alternative BOM.
This is wrong.
Yes. You see, BOM doesn't exist, task list doesn't exist. Now if you see, that will be great. Red color. Okay, suppose I am giving date and I am giving group counter 2. Also it will be giving message. 2 is doesn't exist. So understood. So such type of error you will get it.
Sir, group counter, sir, will you explain one more time?
Group counter is a, suppose if you are creating first routing for first material, so group counter will be 1. Okay, even you can check it. If you go to if you go to CA03, you give a material, enter it, material and plant, then you click on header. You see group is there, counter is there for this material. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Understood na?
But
Yeah,
group
yeah.
counter का मतलब क्या है?
Sorry?
ग्रुप काउंटर का मतलब क्या है?
ग्रुप काउंटर का मतलब ये है कि once number is generated, suppose you are creating 3 routings for the same material.
अच्छा.
So how system will generate, how system will understand, no? So that is the use of that.
मतलब सिस्टम को अंडरस्टैंड करने के लिए एक
Yes.
जरिया चाहिए.
Yes, so I am
Identity
saving it. Okay, I'm saving it. This is save. So our PV is generated also. Dipendu, your task is you have to complete this task by tomorrow. So you understand how we create our work center routing and production version. Hope you guys you understand. Okay, now you have to practice.
सर एक क्वेश्चन था
Yes,
यार राउटिंग में वो किलोवाट आवर कितना लेबर इनडायरेक्ट लेबर डायरेक्ट लेबर लग रहा है ऐसा
Right.
कुछ पैरामीटर्स रहता है क्या मैंने ऑफिस में देखा था
क्या क्या
डायरेक्ट लेबर कॉस्ट डायरेक्ट लेबर कॉस्ट और किलोवाट आवर कितना टाइम से चल रहा है ये सब पैरामीटर देता है
yes. That is not in that is you see in routing we have defined whatever time is required, like setup time, machine time. Okay, and at the time of confirmation we will give which time your machine is which time your operation is started, which time it is coming, what is the date of production. We will give each and everything whatever you are telling. Okay, any other question? Avinash,
Yes, sir.
any question?
If we use for that machine electricity also, we will consider that also.
Yes. Electricity will be there. That is a part of electricity. I will let you know how it will maintain in my power of windmill energy scenarios. Okay.
Okay.
सर एक क्वेश्चन था
Hmm.
सपोज एक चार्जर है उसका तो डिजाइन पहले से ही ठीक किया हुआ है इसका टारगेट कॉस्ट इतना होगा
Right.
सपोज 1.5 लाख रुपए एक चार्जर का टारगेट कॉस्ट है उसमें तो लेबर कॉस्ट रॉ मटेरियल कॉस्ट उसका सर्विस टैक्स सब कुछ जुड़ रहा है
Right.
अब हम जो दे रहे हैं राउटिंग
That is the product costing. The cost of the product only. Whatever you are telling, that is a different. I will let you know in my product costing or later part, later topics.
सर मेरा क्वेश्चन थोड़ा डिफरेंट है मेरा क्वेश्चन है कि सर ये जो हम वर्क सेंटर क्रिएट करके कोई राउटिंग चला रहा है मैंने चला रहे हैं कि सेटअप टाइम इतना होगा लेबर कॉस्ट लेबर टाइम इतना होगा मशीन टाइम इतना होगा तो
I will listen. I will let you know in my next class. First, you prepare all these things. Okay. So today our classes to going to stop.